How to play Palworld on Xbox Series X. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to play Palworld on Xbox Series X. So it's a really quick and easy process, so follow along. Although I am recording on my PC, I'll demonstrate on how to acquire and play the game on your console. Since I currently lack access to the console, I'll guide you through the process on the PC. You can find the Palworld on the Xbox website or directly in the Microsoft Store on your console. Due to its popularity, you might spot it as soon as you open the store. You could purchase the game standalone for $29.99 or opt for the Game Pass, which includes Palworld for the Xbox players on both console and PC. With an active subscription, you can install it instantly. The installation process is straightforward on both PC and console. After acquiring the game, you can download and play. It's optimized for the Series X and S. This game allows you to start playing solo or invite friends using an invite code. Crossplay between the Xbox and the PC is possible if your PC friends have the PC Game Pass version. Whether you are on the Xbox Series X or the PC, you can play together seamlessly. I hope this guide helps you play Palworld on Xbox Series X. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video among your friends. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.